Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a API key website where you can actually explore unlimited API tokens. So the website name is BazaarLink.ai. I've also given the link in the description of the video. So once you go to the website, you can even type this directly. Go to Google and simply type this. So it has all the AI models. So if you directly type this, it's a Chinese-based website, the very first website which comes. So it has all the AI models directly. You will see that Claude, Gemini, GPT, Quen. So the actual landing page looks like this. So you can directly integrate this API very easily. So first of all, you need to sign up. So click on continue with Google. Directly log in with your Google account. So this will hardly take 2 minutes to sign up. So once you sign up, you will be redirected to the landing page right here, the dashboard area. So right here you get this option to create an API key. So once you sign up, you also get this bonus of $5 and $20 as well. So you can easily use it. Click on create, just give it a name and click on create. After creating your API key, you click on copy to clipboard. Your API key will be copied. And now to integrate this, they have given the instructions. You can even just check out their full documentation. This will be the base URL, and you can click on this full API docs. This is the documentation right here, how to set up this. So they have given this complete example right here. So inside VS Code, you can create a simple file, a Python file here. So I paste my API key, and after that you simply copy this example and directly paste this. So right here inside this example, you need to paste your API key that you get from the dashboard right here. So this will be the area. So simply paste the API key. After that, you will replace the model, whichever model that you want to use. So right here we are using OpenAI slash GPT, and right here you simply type the message. I can simply say top 10 frameworks. So then we can print out this response. So we can directly run this example. So we go to the terminal directly. So directly we run this. So right here you do need to install this module. So simply install this module, pip install OpenAI. So this will install this. The base URL, all these things will remain the same. So after you install this, so this module will get installed. After that, you can easily run this. So in the meantime, you can just check out. They also have a chat interface as well. Right here, you can add a model. From here, you can select any model from here: GLM, DeepSeek, Kimi K2, Quen, Gemini, GPT, Hermes. You will see that Minimax, Claude, Opus is also there, as you can see from Anthropic. So from here you select any model. After selected, you can simply chat with the model. As soon as you do this, you will see that after you write the message, it will respond to you. So they also have their chat interface as well. So right here we can ask a question here. You can ask a coding related question or a general question. So I ask this top 10 frameworks of Node.js in 2026. So as soon as you ask the question, the credits will also be consumed. So in the free account, you get enough credits to actually try out. So now the module is installed, so we can run this python app.py. So you can even run this by creating a file. So if you have insufficient credits, you will get this message, insufficient credits, please top up to continue. So I've already consumed all the credits, so you will see that it's giving me the top 10 frameworks. So if you try this with a new account, you will also be able to run this. So they also have the feature of converting your text into video, image into video as well. It has all these models, Cadence, View, Sora, Van, you'll see that. So it's an ultimate website, definitely try this. So provides you with the, so from here you can create API keys, you can check out the credits, and you can even top up by simply paying through the Stripe here and adding your credits. All the options are there. So it's a Chinese based website. All the models are there, you will see that. So as you consume these tokens, it will show you the tokens consumed. All the data will be shown in the dashboard area. So definitely check out this website, BazaarLink.ai.